This is the board we are going to be building tonight. Thank you to Frank and KLC for letting me build this. So if you guys don't know, this is Theca. I hope I'm saying that right, but it's the Rubrehose TKL. Oh god, I hope I'm saying that right. My unit is the beige one. So this is by Densus Design and KLC. It's a really nice case. So this is Densus's logo. So I have the round 2. Production run will be round 3, but unfortunately the round 2, the ones that the builders got, does not have Topre Support. There's a board, so be bad right there. Here is the back. Whoa, dang, pretty cool, right? Here's a side, pretty clean side, centered lower USB port. Here's Densus's logo, and then here is the front. Cool. This is what we're going to be building. It has a red alu plate. So there's a few things I want to talk about. So the PCB that I got will not be the PCB that is part of the production run. And my PCB is actually borked, but it still lights up, so we're going to be using it. Since it's hot swap, we're just going to build it anyways. The group buy will have both hot swap and solder. Group buy information, it's looking to be 550 USD plus shipping. You get top and bottom case, internal, external weight. You get the alu plate, comes in red. There is solder PCB that will have Rubrehose's artwork on it, daughter board GST, carrying case. So this you can do top mount or you can do silicone gaskets. It's 28 hardness for the silicone gaskets. You get rubber feet, and then you get a KLC auth card. Extras, you have alu plate, CF plate, PC plate. There is a hot swap PCB, so if you like hot swap, that will be available. It will have Topre compatibility, but not for this one, not for the R2. Production run will be R3. This is just a reference that was sent to us. I would say follow the IC page, join the Discord for most updated information, because as builders are building us, there are some things that are like subject to change. Today we're going to be building with stabies. I got sent these by Space Cables. So it's going to be alu plate with oolong stitches from Zenclack, who is one of my affiliates. Yeah, the current Twitch split is pretty rough. I mean, it's always been the same split, but I'm about to start OnlyFans for Ginkgo's feet. And that will probably make me a millionaire. I sell Ginkgo foot photos. Okay, so looking at the internals of this board, you can do the top mount. There's 4 on top, 4 on bottom in terms of top mount screws. Gaskets, 4 on top, 3 on the bottom. The spacebars right here, if you notice, there's no screw point and no gasket point for the spacebar. So these are the top mount parts, and then these are the gasket parts. And then looking at the bottom piece, this is a heavy board. Here you have the weight. It looks like an internal and external weight. So this one comes off, and then I'm guessing the back piece also comes off. There's a lot of screw points here. I don't know if you guys noticed, but they do have these anchor points. There's 1, 2, 3 up here, and then 1 down here. 3 alignment tabs. 1, 2, 3, 1. So this is the internal weight. You have the 4 securing it. Theca right here. And then these and these, I'm guessing, are holding the back weight. So here's the weight. So that's where the daughter board would go in the center. So what this side looks like. And then the back. So there's something interesting I want to point out. There's like a little staircase action going on. You see this? Whoa. I wonder why they did this. And then this part just kind of curves upwards. Then you have this part, and then this part rests up high. And then you have the staircase right here. First clear is the clearance of PCB, next step clears a plate. Oh, I see. Interesting. Today I learned. I feel like before I agree to do builds, I need to have the designers or vendors sign an acknowledgement that I'm probably going to mispronounce stuff really bad. And that I apologize ahead of time. Cool. So here's the board. So it's like a lighter beige. Pretty nice. You like the set? It's cute. Well, if GMK fails you, at least there's always nice PBT, right? So this is the board. This is Theca. Ooh, this is the beige colorway. There's also a brown. It's looking to be around 550 plus shipping. There's a brass weight. Ooh, wow. The centered USB port. The board is supposed to have Topre support, and it'll come with a Topre kit. For the group buy run, which is around November 16th, it will have PCB that's compatible. In terms of plates, there's carbon fiber PC, alu, and then you'll have solder and hot swap. The Topre kit will come with, you can get alu plate, a carbon fiber plate. And then the PCBs that come with the group buy will have custom artwork on it. It'll come with solder PCB default, and then hot swap is going to be extra. So apparently for the weight, you can pick if you want a silver or brass coloring, but it would all be made from brass. No foam. If you guys are interested in this board, I would recommend joining their Discords. The layouts, you'll have F12 Winkyless or Winky, the ONSI ISO support. But yeah, that's the board. It's a lighter beige, and I like that. And I'm glad I have this keycap set that matches so well with it. Thank you, Kevin. Thank you, Densus. Thank you, Rubrehose, for letting me build the board. Thank you, Frank, for coordinating everything. I like it a lot.